Hi there, this is Tom Lee. I'm the CIO of Fundstrat Capital. I wanted to share with you an update on themes and stock performance of the Granny Shots portfolio, and this update is as of the week of November 17th. It's been a rough period for the S&P since November 7th. The S&P is down 1.6%. The Granny Shots ETF ticker GRNY is down less. It's down 0.89%. And that means that on a relative basis to the S&P, and the S&P 500 is the benchmark, the Granny Shots has outperformed that period by 72 basis points. Now, you might be wondering, what is a Granny Shot? And the Granny Shots is named after a type of free throw that was popularized by Hall of Famer Rick Barry. He chose to shoot his free throws underhanded, as you can see on the right, and had a 90% success rate, while most people shoot free throws overhanded and have a lower success rate. How are we applying this for stocks? Well, the underhanded free throw is mechanically a better way to shoot a free throw and actually has a higher percentage success, but it doesn't look sexy. What we do with Granny Shots is we look at some of the key themes driving markets, like millennials, or global labor suppliers and the rise of AI, or energy and cybersecurity, or the Fed turning dovish and easing financial conditions. But we also look at tactical themes like style tilt and seasonality and the fact that the PMIs are beginning to recover. So we take these themes and we find the strongest stocks within those themes using our research process. And then stocks that appear in more than one theme become Granny Shots. And as we highlight on this grid, it's a little hard to see, but you can see on the printed materials, the stocks that appear in the most themes tend to be the most like a Granny Shot. So Meta, for instance, appears in 5 of these themes. So that's how we implement a Granny Shots approach to investing. I wanted to highlight the top 10 and the bottom 10 performers over the past 10 days to give you an idea of what's happening within the Granny Shots portfolio. So the top performer is Axon Enterprises, and that strength being up 30% is principally coming after the company reported very good earnings. Now, Tesla is also a top performer, and the strength of Tesla's returns have come from Trump winning the White House and the related and associated halo to Tesla. But even most recently, Tesla is benefiting from the Trump team seeking to ease the rules around self-driving cars. Now, in terms of bottoms of performance, Leidos Holdings has underperformed the most. That's been hurt by what's been affecting defense stocks. And part of that is the potential for the war to be ending both in the Ukraine and in the Middle East. And Arista Networks is the second worst performer. And that fell after the company reported good earnings, but somewhat disappointing guidance. Now, full details are available of the Granny Shots on the fact sheet, and you can find that on the website, grannyshots.com. This is the Fundstrat Capital Management team. It's myself, Tireless Ken, who's also a portfolio manager, and Steve Quinn, who is head of asset management. That's it for now. Thank you, and I'll speak to you soon.